Odifo Amakwata Nsimbi Ababetu Eja Afa gospel musician mienu ema mienu ehuna enu nsuso enkokodanche wakasa afa mame konfoba agrada ehu achese ebusuafo ensem odi ababetoto abontene de esewoni ensese ye ka chona according to prophet Amakwata achese Angel TV live program eko eso wodene nsem etudwa no wochemu esem mame ohima mercy nyankopon ebe ande ni music career na ni music career na wo ende enye ne bone eso na emom said nyankopon ede enkofo binum edi ni djuma enu no sa ensusu na wode ye mame eba ababa bedi ni djuma ajas wo betwe akra ede amanyame ema na enye ono nkwo nsusu ye mame Joyce Blessing nsusu o kan ne ho asem kakra ede eka ho a kokofo mo beka ya bra chese ye worship ekoso live worship ekoso a ye mame Cecilia Mafo ekokohwi mic edi efri ne nsa no ye papa Amakwata etrima bra Joyce Blessing na wo minister na se wo de enwum to no eba no nyankopon anasa nkonkro esane abofo eba ye nunti ne kwan ya ye mame Cecilia Mafo efa so ekokohwi mic no na enye ne kwan so a eno no de na emom ensem a na nyame ewo ede ma no eno na we ye de wo kan ye no pepepepepe nti wo no so no ebedru ma bia ne music career no so ebe ende a wo no so ebe kwakwakofa nyamedwuma aye de ede ato no so na ne nyina mu no wo mo enhwe na wo mo ensiesie wo mo efie ai wo mo efie na wo mo nhwensiesie because one hwe ya na to say attack na say enwoma ebe free wo na dia ba no ede bi ebesi wo mo kwan wo mo enyamedwuma eho no de ensem we etu edwa no na ne wo bobon kofo bebre edi ekeka ehhehye nkom edefa wo mo eho na no na owie ye no dukoko pie mu wo ye mame konfoba agrada eso na ebusuafo ensem a wo de etu edwa na chese wo chema wo no prophet Amakwata wo no na hye nkom se eche agrada se wo no obeye konfo na sese no nyankopon aye den ama no embre ne mbre no de ma no aso asese wo se wo jai akono ede eto hono na wo san ebebefa anaso wo twen ebe ni nyankopon ebiemu na wo ye na adwen sese wo twen akwa ko jai bosum adwuma na eye abra wo bia eni ne nchen de ne wo boa anya sa de ne o ade pa ene bebo eye ni kunu ene ebiemu nsuso ne ne nyoba be koso ewo na brabo mu eno no wan hwe ya wontimi enso eye anu na ebusuafo man konko tie ye papa ensemo de tudwa no embraye ba ye beto aso
wan kan tira baba wa we na wotwe me bi na wotentu nipa foforo sa baba wa to no so to nyom e fa se pa
gospel
mercy
Ahima
mercy say the year 2020 every career nyom ne nko ano is coming to an end on tell onyame aka kire me no anaje se ohima mercy o pese o ye ne se buma ya no preach so much e wa America Juanita Baron one can't you him mercy say onyame bema wa preachia anoba ya dene the God is moving slowly from the corridors of men into the corridors of women said the beya o mani beya dene eniema o go through and God is preparing that woman said the beya nani beya dene said the beya no beya dene said the beya nyamba to me use no one can't you baby ya Gina Sanko him mercy will be she should start to put her house into order. Nanye ntia nyame do ba asasi no. O yam betu ndi waye. Ni otosu mi enu aye unbreakable. Unbreakable God's blessings. Den yankopon ase. Wonim. Den nipa edi it's ana me baramfo no. Afrumo ba atem. I was so annoyed. And nyame ka chem say, "Unyesi I don't know, me nipa ka na wutie. Dive into the spirit. And because soon who say Ababa when you worship God himself came down.
Oh Jesus.
The atmosphere changes. But what we say in the school of life producer how are you processing information you packaging information and the next and frumuba etwema abofra ni wie no tam no de no konchen no catch and say wo ye what's about nyame bad down na sem say e na all kan fa wo and you know how you put your house in order listen abofra no ye worship no ye na ono ankasa wo have video no who to me say she is not himself
yes
now say enye sadia na see ya e save ya yai me say enka joy blessing enko want me free kuma say me do nko accident ku no so maka say asem asore pen me the sister one mother etena makonnwam ene ye bon pen man me think enka that girl is going to die
Jesus
one kind chida ne say me music career no is coming to an end. Every worshiper is the most dangerous person because those people they know how to enter into the presence of God. So God drop another career into their spirit. Said the prophet one or these two. Now, says here, Musa Madru Kumasi. The Drew Kumasi, who said, baby, come on, baby, your friend, for the curriculum, CSC or for the curriculum, and Musa Blank Tabity, Organima Obo, your flow, Enoch, Mihuda, Enoch, I will for the curriculum CSC. One Jemmy, as someone Radeka Cham said, Pastor Chris is disappointing. What did entire Africa, my Pastor Chris? And as Pastor Chris, I'm a Sikadi and him, and where Africa at one Wakatan Europe, or Pesicadi, and was sent Pastor Chris a move from country to country, ferry from stadium to stadium. And now, therefore, God is looking for another people who will be ready and anointed them like Jesus. Pastor Chris, more than Pastor Chris. They will fill stadium when they enter into the country. The president, the vice, everybody will go to them and they will change them. Jesus. I can't tell my body minimum, but seriously,
Jesus.
I blend you on your worship so much. Your friend bright. Your what are your worship? Organize bright gold. Or also said the Nyame is looking for. Say I'm about you know. Sir and a bright. God is looking for you. Now you people have 3 years intervals. Put your house in order. And yes, I'll be when you won't. And then I will come to Agrada. Agrada. I mean I'm saying Agrada comes over come. Yeah. Nana, I'm coming to you, my son, my daughter. I love you so much. I'm coming to you. Nana, I'm coming to you. I'm gonna die. Utama nyamedema wasu. When I'm sure I'm coming to overcome, and I will come here. Tell you have to come back to your God. It's coming.
Jesus.
And yes, I am what. 1% I'm sure done. No kunyadia, onya yadisa. Begin. So we want to answer what and answer. Na da obekọ abosom ho na obi ani ho ansa wa banyam chan anya possible da bia bonsam de nipa no begu ho so that you can never fulfill your God's given assignment.
Na ebusiafo say na wodene nsem no etu eye edwa moamutie eye ebie na chese ye de nyankopon ewo ede ema ye ma menom no mu eden pa eye a chese anu eden awo mo enum to no ewo se wo mu mfa mbra eye na eye enum to ne de wo mu njan fa to wo ne wo mu mfa ye nyam dwuma na nkasa no wo mo emfa ento wo mo eso se de wo ma fa to se ye papa Ebenezer da kwa yadom se de na wo to eye enum nyame efa no so ede ne nsa eka no na ebusiafo ensem oka ye nyina dodo na ne ya adwo ne mum no konfo bagra de ya okoko kan ye na dodo na se papa we de ya hype pan na wo pro said de na wo kasa wo te so ne ni de we de bi bi no mo so we de ye papa wo waka na so we de wo so anka abusiafo ene nsama wode ababa tu eye edwai de na wo susu betimi aka ede afa ho wujidi se ebedru mrebisa kwafo bagada obaba be hye ye clerical dia boni mi ma preachi obetwe akra ebe ye pan e wo mse nyame de bibi anya me yo no na emom ye nipa no ye betimi agena tum sa amana ye de ho adwe nche fa nsemi ho ebetu dem wo tuma gh comment section e bi mus like videos na share all the social media platform so follow ye your IG page and your Twitter page at @TumaGH_. Ekeskapa and that's the net. Yebesan Eddie Asia Ebi Makram.